Hi family, welcome back. We're gonna be using this E.L.F. Ooh, the E.L.F. Retro Paradise palette. Oh, this palette is so damn pretty. What? Y'all wanna come with me and see what I come up with? All right, let's go. E.L.F. Retro Paradise palette. That's the packaging, and wait until you all see these colors. I know you've probably seen it before. This palette has been out for a minute, but see them again. Are you freaking kidding me with these damn colors? Oh, jeez, this is freaking gorgeous. It's freaking gorgeous. I don't know what I'm about to do with it, but we're about to do something. Did my eyebrows. Okay, so we're gonna use this LA Girl Pro Conceal in the color Toffee. So what color are we going to start off with? Did not plan this look at all. We're gonna go in with Sandy Rum in the crease. You see that color? You can see it. It's kind of faint, but you can see it. Oh, you want me to zoom you all in? Do you want a closer look at Miss Melinda? All right, come on, come on. Now let's see the next color we are going to use. I'm thinking the next color we're going in with is going to be Spiced. Let's take that directly in the crease. I'm going to get a little more taper brush so I can stay in the crease. I'm gonna get this smaller brush. See the difference? And to make sure that when you're putting your eyeshadow in your crease, or at least I do, I make sure I take it all the way down here to the corner. I feel like that gives the illusion of a wider, bigger eye. I feel like it does. I don't even know. You know what? If I believe it, it's true. Shoot, it don't have to be true just because somebody else said it.
I said it is true, damn it.
Man, that color's pretty. Look at that. Ooh, ooh. I really don't even need to deepen it anymore, but damn, I just love this color. It's freaking beautiful. Is that good enough? Let's put some, a little bit more. Okay, so I'm going to go back into that first color, Sandy Rum, and reapply that. Next, we're gonna go back in with Spice, so pretty much going back and forth. And now I'm gonna go back in with that first brush. I'm not gonna put any more product on it. I'm just going to buff the top out of here, just to get rid of that harsh line. Okay, so now I think we've gotten those two colors blended out pretty well. We gotta figure out what we're gonna do with this lid. You know what color it's calling me? You know what, do you all hear it? Miss Melinda? I think we're gonna have to go with Tropicana. This lilac one right there. What y'all think on the lid? It's so freaking beautiful. It's like, I feel like that one is the prettiest color, the prettiest one of all of them, and I really want to use it. We're doing Tropical. We're doing that one. That's what we put on the lid. Is that gonna work? We'll see. We'll see. That's what we're doing. That's what we're doing. Okay, so let's use a sort of flat, fluffy brush. This, see how that one is. It's gonna work out. And if it doesn't, that's okay. We're just gonna start over. Cause I mean, I got time. Oh, it is freaking gorgeous. Are you freaking serious? What? Oh my God. This is probably the prettiest color I've ever worked with. Don't play with me. Don't be like, Melinda, it's only lilac. Melinda, it's only light purple. Be quiet. Oh, this color right here. I'm just tapping it on. I just want to put it on there softly. This color reminds me of Chicago in the summertime. I love me some Chicago in the summer. Listen, I love my city. And I love my city in the summertime. You can't tell me nothing. Can't tell me nothing when it comes to Chicago in the summer. Don't play with me. And this color looks freaking perfect. It looks perfect with that crease color. What y'all think? I love it. Like, I want to do something else, but I don't want to mess it up. I kind of like feel like maybe I should leave well enough alone, but I just feel like I just something else. Just something else. I mean, it's an all matte look. It's beautiful and it's pastel. Don't tell me dark girls can't wear pastel. Oh yes, we can. Oh, let's do the face. And you know what I think I'm going to do? I think I'm gonna do the face off camera. What I did first of all is the Tropicana on that eyelid bomb or what? What? Let me tell you all everything else that I did. So as far as the eyes, the lashes I am wearing are the Ardell Wispies. And I think I got these from Walmart. The cheeks, I am wearing this Makeup Revolution. It's called Vintage Lace Blush. I am wearing, oh, I forgot to do my spotlights. You know what? You all got to do my spotlights. I like to see coming. I like to, woo. Let me see, let me give me some spotlights on here. I'm tripping. Ooh. I think we're gonna go with Artist Couture. I don't know, should we go with Honey Drip or Glow Money? Let's go with Glow Money. Ooh. It looks, ooh, I'm about to shine bright. Let me see. Let me take this little pencil brush. Y'all see that? It's not as bright as I would like it to be. I want to damn near glow. I don't want to look like I got my brights on. I know. Stop, Melinda, stop. That's enough. Is it? Is it really enough? That lilac just wasn't enough for me. So I put the Juvia's Place Bella blush on top of it. Bomb. Just, yeah, bomb. For the lips, I used the Maybelline 445 on the Mauve. That's the color, and here's what that looks like. Freaking pretty. It's like mauve lavender color. Very pretty. And then, of course, matte chestnut lip liner. Can't go wrong with that. That is everything. I mean, and yeah, you know the routine. You know I need you all to like, comment, and subscribe. And you know what else I want to know? How are you all doing? I mean, there's been madness going on in the world for a while. People are just like, oh, by 2020 and F you 2020. Okay, 2020 was fucked up, no doubt. But I mean, I'm just saying, for people with my tint, it's been fucked up a little longer than a year and a half or so. Okay, but yeah, let me know how you all are doing. Me myself, I'm okay. I'm good. You know, life happens, and I just live it and make the most of it. And usually, most of the time, if not all of the time, things just tend to work out for me. You know, so yeah, life is motherfucker, isn't it? Oh my God, it really is. But just live it and enjoy the good things. I'm not saying things are not going to happen that you don't like, that cause you discomfort, that causes you sadness and heartbreak and all kinds of other stuff, of course, because that is life. But just know, whatever you're going through, and I know some of y'all are going through some straight up bullshit, some of y'all are going through some shit, but just know it's all gonna work out. It really is. It's all going to work out. Know that I love you. Really do. I may not be face to face with you all, but when I tell you, I promise I love every single one of y'all. Every person that clicks on my video, I send love to them. I will see you all on the next video. Bye.
Only you. I wanna be down with what you're going through. I wanna be down. I wanna be down with you.